October 4th, 1957, the Soviet Union launches Sputnik 1, the world's first artificial satellite. This historic event marks the dawn of the space age. As the rocket ascends into the sky, it carries more than just a satellite. It carries the hopes and ambitions of a nation. Sputnik 1's beeping signal isn't just a triumph of engineering, it's a stark warning heard around the globe. The launch sends shockwaves through the United States and other nations, igniting the space race. The world watches in awe and trepidation, realizing that the final frontier is no longer a distant dream, but an imminent reality. Sputnik wasn't just a scientific milestone. It marked a pivotal moment in the Cold War, pushing the US into a frenzy of competition and secrecy. Declassified records reveal that Sputnik's success spurred the US to not only accelerate its space program, but to delve deeper into clandestine activities. While NASA became the face of the American space race, capturing the imagination of millions with its ambitious missions to the moon and beyond, the Department of Defense quietly worked on classified projects. These projects were shrouded in secrecy and often went unnoticed by the public. Surveillance satellites designed to monitor activities from space, anti-satellite weapons capable of disabling enemy satellites, and even plans for a military moon base took shape in the shadows. These initiatives were part of a broader strategy to ensure national security and maintain a technological edge over adversaries. The military's involvement in space was a parallel effort, running alongside NASA's more publicized endeavors, but with a focus on defense and strategic advantage. Programs like Corona, America's first photo reconnaissance satellite, demonstrated just how much Sputnik had changed the game. Space was no longer the final frontier, it was a battlefield. Some even speculate that Sputnik's launch pushed the US to explore technologies far beyond public knowledge, possibly even propulsion systems and spacecraft influenced by alleged UFO encounters. Sputnik's beeps echoed across the world, a sound that signaled the dawn of a new era in human history. It was more than just a satellite. It was a symbol of technological prowess and a harbinger of the space race. Its true impact resonated in the halls of power, sparking a wave of innovation and competition. Governments scrambled to catch up, pouring resources into science and technology, forever changing the landscape of global politics. Subscribe to emgotv1 to uncover more stories from the Cold War's hidden history. Dive deep into the events that shaped our world, from espionage to space exploration, and discover the untold tales that defined an era.